Where is it? So I saw Lee lightning. I wonder what it was. And then
I'll tell you
I
what.
kept hearing noise. I thought it was someone down here moving about
No.
or something. I was
Thunder.
in
Wow.
half. What's that?
It's all above Baker Cliff's stable as well.
Piss wet through.
I know, that's right. I was just thinking.
Oh, there we go.
Last time they had a thunderstorm, it took out all their electrics up there, the
So
whole
we
lot.
don't do that.
Well, it might do. It's coming from over there.
I'm playing tag
It's
stand life at the
constantly
moment.
lightning. There's more lightning than thunder.
Yeah, there's that one big one back at back, but
Not getting much thunder, we're getting a lot of lightning.
yeah, we did get a bit of thunder. But
Yeah, we've got a big clap of thunder that I heard, and then and again.
that's pretty close.
Yeah. I remember one year when we had one here, lightning with a big flash like that, and bloody thunder hit straight with it. Wind just nearly went through, it was that loud. Mind you, one Sunday, me and Baz were down at Woolley, and we were playing darts. Whoa! And me and Willie went out for a smoke. Anyway, he come back in now, finishing my cig, and I'd only just stepped back through the back door, and out of, oh, you're getting all these.
Yeah, yeah. My arms hurting all the time.
All right. Where back door at Woolley comes out, it's like an alleyway.
Yeah,
right?
I know where it is, yeah.
Well, just as I stepped back inside the door, the bloody alley lit up like I don't know what. The noise was deafening. And it were thunderbolt. If I'd still been out there, it would have made a big huge. And it shot down alley, it bounced off walls, and it went on Kurga, and it actually damaged 3 cars. Oh, thunderbolts can go where the hell they like. The massive things, yeah? It took out 3 cars on Kurga.
It's lightning over there.
And it's lightning everywhere, it's just constant.
Yeah.
That old fellow that got knocked down today, Baz asked Copper if it was fatal, and he says, no, but, he says very critical.
Oh, God.
So whether he'll make it, I don't know.
Best luck to him.
Especially when you get fork lightning, when it goes straight down. This is all sheet lightning. It's not cold. Whoa.
Oh, I'm calling for the shit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I've only got a night shirt on. Oh, mind you, it said we were going to get some rain. It didn't say we were going to get a thunderstorm.
Things get lovely bloody red up today.
I know, it's been absolutely
And
scorching.
it started getting grey and all this.
Yeah, well...
Typical
yeah.
English weather for you.
Yep. I've had all windows up until about an hour ago.
Yeah.
And I thought, I better shut them, it's getting a bit grey. Darling, can you get me a ciggy and me lighter because I'm videoing this? Ryan's just nipped upstairs. Whoa, that lit up. I have to put some of these onto Facebook. This is what it is doing at the moment where we live. How much longer can it video for? Red triangles. Alright, I'm not standing here with my arm like this for I mean, oh wow! 1, 2, 3, 4.
So let's say 1 second
5,
for 1 mile, right?
6.
But then in other countries where they don't use
8,
miles, they also say the same, so I don't think it can be quite
10,
accurate.
11, 12. About 12 mile away at Storm. At least it's dark when it's doing it. It's worse when it's daylight. You can't get the same effects.
Apparently, if you get lightning and snow, it's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, yeah. I'm concentrating in this middle patch. Whoa! As I said, we're getting a hell of a lot of lightning and not as much thunder. It's going cold. I don't want to have taken my tablets. I think I. Whoa! Do you want a couple?
Yes, please.
Is your cup up or down? Well, I'll make you one down.
I think
here
it's
with one
upstairs.
of the cups.
It's upstairs. So yeah, as you can see, it's lightning. Oh, there we go.
Are
Yeah.
you alright?
Quite a bit of lightning.
You what, right?
I was saying it's quite a bit of lightning. I'm getting
If
soaked.
you
There's
get any,
puddles forming on the. Whoa!
If you get lightning and a thunderclap together, you'll know about it.
What? Yeah. I thought that was fucking lightning.
No, it's me putting this on something.
The kitchen light.
It's ages since we've had a good thunderstorm anyway.
No. At least one where it's lightning like this all the time.
Oh, love.
So we had a few here and there where it's maybe,
Yeah.
you
Have
know.
you not used a plate cheese this week at all? Out of that pack?
I've made cheese now.
Alright. You've seen that huge block of orange juice?
Yeah, so.
Fiona's given me it, plus a pack of bacon. Because I'm going to do some quiches for a party on Saturday night.
Oh, nice.
Whoa. Yeah. It's just continually lightning one after the other. Oh,
Oh yeah.
I brought you a cup of tea up here.
I would have come down for it.
I'll take your cup
I'm
down.
getting blinded by lights.
You what?
I'm getting blinded by
Whoa,
lights.
yeah, them lights up
Oh,
there.
yeah, those ones and those ones down there.
There's some wreckers coming over at Chevin and up. Ooh, that thunder's close.
Yeah. I can feel that thunder vibrating on the window.
Well, you'll know by if you get a thunderclap. The windows will really, literally rattle. It's deafening.
Well, I can emulate that by putting my subwoofer on.
We don't need you to emulate it, thank you very much. You don't need to listen to that downstairs.
Sound like Tyro and Magnus. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video of the lightning. A bit spontaneous, but then again the lightning was. But if you liked it, give it a like, of course, and yeah, subscribe.